afternoon all. I welcome you all in a 10th standard. We are started with our syllabus, that is mathematics part 2, and this is given probable syllabus, that is they will you have a 7th chapter. Under that your first chapter is similarity. So what is actually the similarity is? Similarity is nothing but when we see on your mirror, then we get exactly similar image on your mirror, so which will be called as a similarity, which have the same shape, which will be created on another side. That means you are in front of mirror, that is your one, and you will get exactly similar image on another side, which will be in your mirror, so which will be called as a similarity. In the previous lecture year, we have discussed with ratio and proportions. As you know that if you want to find out the ratio of any areas, any number, so it will be always in a real number. So in this particularly this lesson, we have to find out the ratios of two triangles. If you find out the ratios of two triangles, then in your book they have given you the two triangle. First one is your ABC, second one is your PQR. In your ABC, the base is BC, and in your PQR, base is a QR. Height is a AD, and PS is your base. Okay, so what is the area of triangle? That is 1 half into base into height. So if you find out the ratio of areas, then areas of triangle ABC is equal to 1 half base of your first triangle, that is your ABC is BC, and height is AD. That's why we are written here ABC BC into AD. And in your second, that is areas of ABC triangle PQR, which is equal to 1 half into QR into PS. QR is a base of your second triangle, that is PQR, and PS is the height of your second triangle. If we remove, that is 1 half and 1 half, so you will get the areas of triangle ABC is equal to BC into AD, and areas of triangle PQR is equal to QR into PS. As we put the values of BC is equal to B1 and AD is equal to H1, that is the base and height, and QR is equal to B2 and PS is equal to H2, that is the base and height of your second triangle. Okay, so from this ratio we are find out the different condition when the height is equal or when the base is equal. Under that, first condition is if the height of both the triangles are equal. As you see that this is a ABC and this is a PQR, their base is a different but height is a similar, that is H and H same, that's why we are getting here the H. So areas of ABC is equal to base is equal to BC, and height is H, that's why we are put it BC into H. Then areas of triangle PQR, base is QR, so we are written here the QR, and height is PS, which will be is equal to H. When H and H is removed, so you will get the ratio BC upon QR. BC is nothing but the base of your first triangle, which will be is equal to B1, and QR is the base of your second triangle, which will be is equal to B2. As from this first condition, we are concluded with the properties, that is the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. When their heights are equal, then the ratio is proportional to their bases. That's why B1 upon B2. That is the first property. Then the condition is when their base is equal and heights are different. Okay, there is areas of triangle ABC is equal to areas of triangle APB. That is, what is that? ABC. ABC have base which will be AB, and height is your H1, and areas of triangle APB, their base is AB and height is H2. That's why AB and AB it's common, so it's equal, so you can remove it, then you will get H1 upon H2. That is the ratio of the areas of two triangle when their base is equal. From this second condition, we are concluded with the properties, that is the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. When their base is equal, then their ratio is corresponding is equal to, that is H1 and H2. That is your second condition. So guys, this is the activities they have given you. We have to write down here the proper values from this particular figure. So you can do it as a homework. Then we are moved to the solve example. What is your solve example? They have given you in adjacent figure, that is a figure is given. In adjacent figure, AE is proportional to the BC. Sorry, AE is perpendicular to the BC and DF is perpendicular to the BC, and the value of AE is given, which is equal to 4 and DF is equal to 6. Then we have to find out the ratio, that is areas of triangle ABC and areas of triangle DBF. Okay, so that is one more thing, in that their base are equal. As you see, that is the base is equal and heights are different, and that is from property. When the base are equal and heights are different, then we are find out the ratio by using the heights, that is proportional to the height. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC. So for your first triangle ABC, height is AE, and for your second triangle DBC, height is DF. Okay, so that's why we are written here the AE and DF. So what is the value of AE? AE is equal to 4 and DF is equal to 6. If you divide this, you will get the value 2 as 2 upon 3. So what is the ratio? 2 as to 3. Then the second example, that is in triangle ABC, point D on a side of BC in such a that DC is equal to 6. The value of DC is given, that is equal to 6. BC is equal to 15, and we have to find out the ratio of, that is area of triangle ABD as to area of triangle ABC. Then area of triangle ABD as to area of triangle ADC. As you see the figure, that is a vertex is common in a different three triangles and their bases are collinear. Collinear means that they are located in a same line. That's why it is a collinear basis. Then their height is equal, as AP is a height for both the triangle, it's equal. Okay, so for to find out the different ratio, we don't have the value, that is BD. So your first task is we have to find out the value of BD. How to find out the value of BD? As you have the value of BC is equal to 15 and you have the value of DC. When we minus BC minus DC, they will get the value of BD. That's why BC is equal to 15, DC is equal to 6, is equal to 9. So BD is equal to 9. Then area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is given. What is that? We have to find out. When the heights is equal, then your areas is proportional to the bases. So you only require the values of base C. So what is the base of ABD, which is equal to BD? So we are written here the BD. Then areas of triangle ABC. ABC. What is the base of ABC? That is a BC. And what is the value of BC? Which is equal to 15. So 9 upon 15. The ratio is 3 upon 5. That is the first ratio. We are find out 3 as to 5 for these two triangles. The next one, the areas of triangle ABD. ABD. When ABD height are equal again. When the heights are equal, then their areas are proportional to the bases. So in ABD, what is the base? That is a BD. And triangle ADC, what is the base? That is a DC. So you can write down BD upon BC. So what is the value of BD? BD is equal to 9, DC is equal to 6, which is equal to 3 upon 2. So that is the ratio. That is the ratio of areas of these two triangles. That is the 3 upon 2. Okay guys, so you can stop here as we discuss with the two properties, two conditions to find out the ratio of triangles by the area. Okay, do not forget these two properties, when the base is equal, when the height is equal. If you have any queries, then you can call me, you can post your message on our WhatsApp group also. Okay, so try to solve these activities they have given you, that is filling the blanks properly by these 3 examples. Okay, so thank you.